Welcome to the unboxing of the Inse cordless stick vacuum. Or is it INSE? Inse N6. Well, we got this vacuum for the studio because our other one died on us. It literally just stopped working. So I said, let's go for this stick version and see how it goes. As you can see, there's the instruction manual. Has plenty of information for you. Pretty much covers everything. I mean, you name it and they talk about it, which is really quite nice. There it is. There's the actual vacuum. We have some additional pages there about cleaning, maintenance. You do have to be careful about putting the gun handle on to the cylinder section. If you don't do it properly, you can actually snap it and break it. So you just got to be a little careful there. Otherwise, it really was not too much of a problem. There's our warranty card. Wonderful. Good to see. And multiple languages, there's a scanner, questions, etc. So it's already looking pretty good. Everything's packed in plastic, which is awesome. And there's my, hey, how awesome, check it out. Now let's start pulling this thing out. There we go. There's our stick section, which is telescoping. It will actually stretch out. I do check the buttons and stuff as well. I want to make sure everything's solid. I do try and show every section to you so you can kind of see what it's like. The buttons weren't bad. I was impressed with it. It felt kind of really solid, which, I mean, for what it is, it was $100 and change. So you can't really knock it, you know, when it comes to that. There's some wall mounting screws for the charger. And then additional brush, very soft style brush for the spinning head on the front. I love this thing because it was so colorful. It is the most colorful thing they had in the box, so that was kind of nice. Here was another vacuum attachment, some type of cleaning. Don't know how to use that. I think it's to cut the hair off the wheel there when the hair gets stuck. And that's obviously another vacuum. That's the vacuum attachment. Yeah, there's that hook thing with a brush. So obviously it's a cleaning tool of some sort. I think that other end gets the hair out. So that's what that is. Oh, and here it is, the big show. Welcome to the big show. This is the main canister where the actual motor sits right there on top. The dust collection, which is that canister right there. By the way, it was very easy to empty out. I was very impressed with that. I may do another video showing you how easy it is to vacuum with this in terms of cleanup and stuff. There's the base. There's that rotor, which you can change for the soft one that was included. And all snaps together quite easily. So that was impressive. Additional filter, which can go in and you can swap out. So that was kind of nice. They gave you one extra. That comes off, and they actually say in the manual to just keep it on. It's additional filtering. At least if I read that correctly. That's what it means. This is the gun handle, and there it is. That snaps onto the canister. So that piece will go in there, and it's where the battery, I believe, is sitting as well, that gun section where your hand is. And there's the charging plate, which is there. I wish they had another option where you could just plug something in smaller, but you have to get it on the plate. And here's the additional brush. Let's get the brush out of the bag. Lovely bag. Thank you. And that came out. I guess that was there for storage. And the bristles are quite soft. Don't quite know what I would use this for, but hey, I have it. That's great. Then I just check the box because I always miss stuff. So I just kind of rip it apart and go, hey, there it is. And there you go. It's the Inse Vacuum box opening. Thank you.